Welcome back, everyone. Quickly, let's talk about something new, which is HTML picture element. So quickly, let's start. The HTML picture element allows you to display different pictures for different devices or screen sizes like laptop, iPad, phones, mobile phones. So the HTML element gives web developers more flexibilities and in specifying image resources. The picture element contains one or more source elements, each referring to different images through the source set attribute. This way, the browser can choose the image that best fits the current view and or devices. Each source element has a media attribute that defines when the image is the most suitable. Example, this is it. This one shows the different images for it shows different images for different screen sizes. For the thing that defines the screen sizes is here. So whenever your screen size is on this 650 pixel, this image will display. The image in this source set will display. Whenever your screen is on this 465 pixels, this define your screen. So this image is going to display. This define the picture you want to display. This source set attribute, this SRC set attribute, and also again this one is the backup. In case this picture and this picture is nowhere to be found, this will display. So on the screen. So this picture element is not working alone, it's working with image tag and also the source tag. The picture tag, source tag, and image tag, those three tags, they work together. So always specify img element as the last child element of the picture. That is, this img element should be the last thing you will specify as the last child element of this picture element. You can see 1 2, this is the last child element. The img element is used by browsers that do not support the picture element, or if none of the source tags are matched. That is, if this one are not found, this is going to display the picture inside it. So let's quickly show each other how it looks. Go back to our editor and put it here. Now let us save this and reload. This is what we will see. Let's say without it. Can you see it's empty right now? Let's say with it. Can you see it's showing one picture? The picture is now showing here, right here is the first picture, the full picture. The full picture is the one showing because our screen size is around 650 pixels here. So let's say our screen size reduced to 465 pixels, it will change another picture. Let's reduce our screen size. Can you see it change to this car picture. So let's say our screen size reduce again to the pixel that our computer doesn't understand, our picture don't understand. So it's going to display this last picture. Can you see the last picture is displaying? So that's how it works. So quickly, I want you to understand this one control the screen size, this one control the image that you want to display, as simple as ABC, and this one also is for the backup. Without this one, it will never work. Let me close, let me remove this one, this last picture here. Reload your image. Can you see nothing display? Let now, can you see when we increase, nothing display? So without this img tag here, it will never work. So can you see it's displaying something, and it's displaying something. That is to say, whenever you want to use, and one thing here is that let's remove this and put only this one. Let's reload. Can you see we can use img tag alone inside it, but we cannot use only source tag alone. Cannot use source tag alone, as you can see by yourself. When we increase or decrease, it will never work. So that's how it works. And again, I want you to notice one thing. But in our next tutorial, I'm going to show you one scope in this picture element that you are seeing here. Don't forget, whenever you want to specify the picture element, the picture element is having the opening and closing tag. The opening and closing picture element is this. So inside there, you are going to have your source. You are going to have your source. your source element and your img element, which is source and what img element. These two things, these three things, 1 2 3, they works together. So the source element doesn't work alone. So in our next tutorial, I'm going to show you one tricks about this. So I wish to see you guys next time. Anwar Akorede Ayofe is my name. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Have a great day.